Bullish Avax cost expectation for 2023 is $21.89 to $40.99. Avalanche Avax cost could likewise reach $30 soon. Bearish Avax cost expectation for 2023 is $16.34. In torrential slide Avax cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Avax to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. What is torrential slide Avax? Torrential slide Avax is the local digital currency of the Torrential Slide organization. Avax was sent off in 2020. Torrential Slide is an open-source decentralized blockchain for making dApps and redid blockchains. It is prominently known as the winter-themed biological system that holds Avax, the red coin. Avax tokens have three essential use cases. Right off the bat, they act as the exchange charge. They act as the major unit for all Torrential Slide subnets. Also, clients can stake Avax and procure these tokens as remunerations. Torrential Slide involves three interoperable blockchains with particular functionalities and numerous subnets. The trade chain, X chain, handles the exchanging exercises. The agreement chain, C chain, implied for making dApps. The stage chain, P chain, implied for approving exchanges and keeping up with subnets. Avalanche agreement convention is unmistakable. It isn't totally founded on the evidence of work, POW, or confirmation of stake POS. It works with a coordinated non-cyclic chart, DAG, upgraded agreement. Remarkably, the Snowman Convention, a piece of the Torrential Slide Agreement Convention, worth focusing on and implied for block creation. Torrential Slide Avax Value Forecast 2023. Torrential Slide Avax stands firm on the 18th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. Avax cost forecast 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Torrential Slide Avax spread out a plunging channel design. Plummeting channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A plummeting channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. As of now, Torrential Slide Avax is in the scope of $19.74. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Avax could arrive at the obstruction levels of $22.01, $32.01, and $57.31. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Avax might tumble to $15.82 and $10.64. Torrential Slide Avax backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Torrential Slide Avax. The outlines show that Torrential Slide has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Torrential Slide could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $40.99. Likewise, assuming the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Torrential Slide could dive to nearly $16.34, a negative sign. Torrential Slide Avax Value Expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Torrential Slide is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Torrential Slide lies beneath the M line, showing frail members and the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of Torrential Slide is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, Torrential Slide Avax cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment. So it is in an upturn. At present, Torrential Slide has entered a bullish state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Torrential Slide whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the Avax is 53.47. This implies that Torrential Slide is in an overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Torrential Slide might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Torrential Slide Avax Value Expectation 2023 ADX, RVI. Let us currently take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of Torrential Slide. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings, utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Torrential Slide Avax. Presently, the ADX of Avax lies in the scope of 29.57, and in this manner, It shows major areas of strength for A. The above diagram likewise addresses the general instability record (RVI) of torrential slide Avax. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Avax lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of torrential slide Avax is at 53.47 in this way, affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of Avax with BTC F. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and torrential slide Avax. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of Avax is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Avax likewise increments or diminishes separately. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should anticipate the cost of torrential slide Avax somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, torrential slide Avax could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Avax could mobilize to hit $50 by 2024. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2025. If torrential slide Avax supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Avax would revitalize to hit $70. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2026. If torrential slide Avax supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Avax would energize to hit $90. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2027. If torrential slide Avax supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Avax would revitalize to hit $100. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2028. Torrential slide Avax holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years. In the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Avax would hit $120 in 2028. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on torrential slide Avax, it would observe significant spikes. Avax could hit $140 by 2029. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the torrential slide biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Avax for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, torrential slide Avax could hit $160 by 2030. And with consistent upgrades in the torrential slide organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Avax. Hence, the bullish value expectation of torrential slide